Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. What they do is that they grow your food and your plants for you with no human intervention. And each one of those planters, I have about 5 or 8 or 10 of these. And so I get to watch them grow and I get to eat them as they get older and older. And I love my food. I love everything about my food. And I get to have it wholesome. It's wholesome and it's pure. And so when I go into pick my cabbage, I just go down for that ball, if that's what I want to get, and I pop it off. You ready? Oh, this is going to be a little tough. Let's pop the leaves back. You ready? Let's do it. So torpedo pots are self-growing planters, all right? They grow your food with no human intervention. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter. You pull back the leaves that you want to eat. And trust me, I got a lot of leaves here, so we're going to do an awful lot of pull back here. All of those are edible. I'm taking all those down and cooking them for breakfast. But more importantly, more than I want anything else, I want that little ball there. I want you. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter, and it literally grows your food for you. You don't have to grow your food anymore. And the food that you're getting is wholesome. It's astounding. Remember now, 50 pounds of cabbage in these planters. 50 pounds of cabbage. And all I do is throw my seeds and my plants in that planter, and it grows my food for me. Let's break it open. You ready? I want you to see it first. Before me, I want you to see it. Let's see how deep we can go with this. Oh, isn't that beautiful? That's my breakfast. That's my breakfast. That's what I'm going to have for breakfast. And I can't wait. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Down at radissoncomputerpart.com. The other parts, I'm going to cook those down also. But this pure, healthy thing is what I want for breakfast. And I want you to have it too. Guys, all you need to do is buy a torpedo pot. Do anything else. 50 pounds of cabbage, green cabbage. I've already harvested 10 pounds of the red cabbage. So 50 pounds of cabbage. Can you believe that? Look at that, man. Delivering beautiful, healthy, wholesome food on site. Better than you'll find in any supermarket. Any supermarket anywhere. Healthy, crunchy, it's breathing, it's alive, it's wholesome, it's more than you could ever dream of in your torpedo pot. I don't have to travel for my food. My food is right here. It's right in front of my face. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. These torpedo pots, these self-growing planters, they grow your food for you. You'll never have to grow your food again. So what I'm going to do is pick up, I'm going to weigh this. We just harvested 23 pounds of radish in 10 feet. We could harvest about 50 pounds of cabbage in 10 feet. But I'm going to let this go into the winter, let it harden up a little bit. And I'm going to spray it down. I use a simple spray of vinegar, apple cider vinegar. I use baking soda, and I use acetic acid, which is in the apple cider vinegar, acetic acid, and sodium chloride. Those three mixed together will kill off anything. But it'll also destroy your plants because they're very corrosive. So just mist it on, and they'll kill all the caterpillars. And they'll come in seasons. They'll come in one season when it's nice and warm. They'll lay the eggs, last for about a month. Then towards the end of the season, they'll come again for a second wave. Spray them down a second time, and you walk away. But what you'll do is that you'll have food that you've never seen before in your life. Down at radissoncomputerpart.com. Make your life count. Get the right food inside of your body. And I have so much of it. So, I've already got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 planters, and I'm growing 8 of these heads of cabbage. Wow. I would say they can last me through the winter. I'll have my source of food right here in front of me, and you won't. You've got to get your food. You've got to get a torpedo pot and let it grow your food for you. You will never be the same. It grows wholesome, healthy food, and it grows lots of it. I have a field of collards. Those collard greens that you're seeing right now, we grew 72 heads of corn. 72 heads of corn where those collard greens are coming. Isn't that beautiful? I'll talk to you guys later. You have a nice day. All right, bye-bye.